Maybe you should leave before I get too mean and take it out on you.
Okay, let's talk hyperpigmentation. So exciting, but honestly, I don't think I can fit this video into a minute or even 3 minutes, but I'm going to try. It's something that I've been experimenting for years and years, and frankly, the reason why I started Glow with Ava. So clearly a topic that I'm very passionate about. As I mentioned in the video, I never really wore sunscreen or took skincare generally seriously until age 25. So this is proof that it is never too late to start your skincare routine. And with all things in life, the easiest cure to everything is not doing it. It's to prevent it. So how do you prevent hyperpigmentation from starting in the first place? It is by using sunscreen religiously every day. And what makes sun protection even more powerful is if you combine a vitamin C with your sunscreen. Vitamin C basically acts as another barrier to sun damage, so use your vitamin C in the morning and then make sure to use a sunscreen together. So this two combination is going to be the best prevention to getting hyperpigmentation. But what if you already have a lot of sun damage, dark spots, and post-inflammatory marks? And let's get into it in the next video.